Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're talking about Alexa devices and a common issue you might be experiencing, the blinking green light. What does it mean and how can you fix it? Let's dive in. Section 1. What does the blinking green light mean? So, what does the blinking green light mean? When your Alexa is flashing green, it's actually trying to tell you something. A spinning green light means you have an incoming call, and a pulsing green light means you're currently on a call or have an active drop-in. But don't worry, it's easy to fix. Let's walk through how you can stop that blinking green light. Section 2. How to fix the blinking green light. Step 1. End the active call or drop-in. First, check if you're currently on a call or have an active drop-in session. You can do this by simply asking Alexa, "Alexa, hang up." This should immediately stop the green light from blinking. Step 2. Check missed calls. If that doesn't work, it could be a missed call or a message notification. Open the Alexa app, go to the Communicate tab, and check if you have any missed calls or messages. Clear them, and the green light should go away. Step 3. Disable drop-in feature, optional. If you want to prevent the green light from blinking for drop-in calls in the future, you can disable this feature. Just open the Alexa app, go to Devices, select your Alexa device, and then disable drop-in under Communications. Section 3. Troubleshooting. If the green light is still blinking after you've cleared missed calls or disabled drop-in, try restarting your Alexa device. Simply unplug it from the power source, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you know exactly what that blinking green light means and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more Alexa tips and tech troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.